Hello, artists. Gather near. It's time for drawing holiday cheer. We'll draw Hello Kitty, sweet and bright, a reindeer friend for Christmas night. Step 1. The face. Start with an oval, soft and clean, the cutest face you've ever seen. For eyes, 2 ovals, small and dark, leaving their gentle, classic mark. A tiny nose goes right between the yellow glow of the Sanrio queen. Now a big, cute bow on her right side we place, the sweetest detail for her festive face. Step 2. The costume. Now, the reindeer hood, round her head it goes. 2 simple antlers on her crown disclose. Draw 2 furry ears on either side, and a small heart where her forehead must hide. Bring the hood down, with a simple neckline, to show the full wonder of her festive design. Step 3. The body. Draw the body, round and plump, like a snowy, festive stump. Give her little paws upon her hands, the cutest creature in all the lands. Complete the suit with simple feet below, and a tiny heart upon her chest must show. Conclusion. Our outline's done. How quick, how grand! It's time to color with your happy hand. Use brown and red for Christmas bright, and fill your page with holiday light. Great job, dear friends. We're at the end. Subscribe and share. Until we meet again.